Test a thermostat without removing it from the wall by observing mode changes at the furnace or air handler control board and verifying expected voltage shifts when you change settings. Begin at the thermostat. Set it to heat. Raise the temperature set point above room temperature. Then switch to cool and lower the set point below room temperature, and finally set to off. Note any audible clicks or display changes that confirm the thermostat is sending signals. At the system control board or air handler, identify the common terminal block. Terminals are usually labeled for heating, cooling, fan, and common. Consult the equipment manual or a photo you took beforehand to confirm labeling. With a multimeter set to measure alternating current voltage or direct current voltage as appropriate for your system, measure between the common terminal and the heat call terminal while commanding heat. The voltage should appear or change to indicate a call for heat. Repeat with the cooling terminal when commanding cool. For systems that use direct current or millivolt controls, measure millivolts or check continuity with the thermostat calling. For line voltage systems, use a non-contact tester and follow strict safety procedures. If the system has a separate fan terminal, switch the thermostat fan setting and verify the fan terminal voltage change independent of heating or cooling calls. Record each measurement and compare against the control board specifications. Consistent, repeatable voltage changes when changing thermostat modes mean the thermostat is functioning and communicating without removal. Common issues include no voltage change at the control board when toggling thermostat modes, which often means dead thermostat batteries or a failed thermostat. Replace batteries, if present, or test the thermostat with a known working substitute. A constant voltage on a call terminal that never stops can indicate a stuck relay at the control board or shorted wiring. Isolate by disconnecting the thermostat wire at the control board and checking whether the signal clears, then repair or replace the relay or wiring. Intermittent calls or erratic behavior frequently result from loose terminal screws or corroded wire ends. Power down the system, tighten terminal connections, clean exposed wire with fine sandpaper, and ensure proper strain relief. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning projects, and offers resources on testing and troubleshooting. Contractors can list services and receive project leads to grow their local business.